Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Johnson. I feel like I've worked with a lot of you since this is probably everyone's last class. I know it is mine. Um, a little bit about myself. I live in Lancaster County, and right now the agency that I'm working in is a drug and alcohol facility. We have a partial hospitalization that also has a transitional living facility as well that goes with it, an intensive outpatient program, as well as individual therapeutic sessions. Um, the reason why that I took medical social work is I really plan on getting my LCSW. So I wanted to utilize as many electives as I could that kind of fit into that, as well as I am taking the trauma certificate right now. So it really just kind of assists with creating a holistic view on everything. And in addition to that, I'm not 100% sure if I'm still planning on working in the drug and alcohol realm, and I actually am thinking about working towards working with wounded warriors and or veterans at that point, and I know that I'll need to be in closer to the medical field, so I thought that this would be a great elective to take. What I'm hoping to take away from this class, in my involvement, is just to kind of really see what the difference of like medical social work is, in policy perspective, both from, a micro viewpoint as well as into meso and macro. I have not really worked in the macro setting, so learning anything that I can will be extremely helpful. Um, I guess that's about it. It's nice to meet everyone.